Hey everybody, how's it going? Mason with TAC System USA here to give you a quick product demonstration on how to apply Quartz Max, our silica spray sealant, to the surface of your vehicle. This product does contain a little bit over 5% Si02. Same silica properties just like all of our other coatings. This product can be used as a standalone product after you have thoroughly washed your vehicle. It can be used as often as once a week. It does have durability of up to 1 to 2 months. It can be used as a topper to any of our coatings. It's just going to help increase shine. It's going to help increase the hydrophobic properties, so you're going to get that awesome beading that everybody loves to see. It is also going to help produce some really great dust repellency properties as well. It can go on all surfaces of the vehicle, so you can put it on your paintwork, you can put it on the trim, you can even put it on the glass for some short-term repellency to the surface of that. You can put it on your running boards like we have on this truck. You can even put it on the wheels of this truck to give a little bit of something better than nothing type of application. Okay, this is very simple to apply. You want to make sure that your panels are clean, so you're going to do this after you wash. You want to make sure that they're cool and dry, out of the sunlight, because it does have the SiO2 in it. If it is applied in the direct sunlight and left too long, it could cause some slight streaking. If that were to occur, simply move the vehicle out of the direct sunlight, allow the panel to cool, spray a little bit more of the Si02 Quartz Max onto your panel, and that will reinvigorate the coating itself, right? So it's going to allow you to go back over it and remove that streaking, okay? It's very user-friendly. A little bit goes a long way. So let's get to the demo. It's very simple to apply. You just open it up there, give it a couple squirts. You don't need a whole lot. You're going to take your rag, microfiber of your choice. You're simply going to evenly distribute. Wipe it on really good. Make sure you get it all over. You'll notice it has a really pleasant smell as well. It's going to give you a high shine. It's going to feel silky smooth. So once you've wiped that on there, it's going to go ahead and give it a flip to a dry side to just buff off any residue. And it's that simple, everybody. Like I said, the product can be used on its own. Can be used as a topper to any of our coatings. You can use it once, twice, a couple times a month, whatever you see fit. It all depends on your driving habits. But by itself, it's going to have durability of about a month or two. All depends on how you take care of your vehicle. So again, as you can see, super simple to apply. Great beading characteristics, a nice high gloss. TAC System Quartz Max. Check it out, TACSystemUSA.com, in 50 milliliter, 500, 1,000, and even 4,000 milliliter bottles. If you have any questions about how to apply or to check on the results by other installers or end users, check us out on Facebook in our TAC System USA discussion page. You can head over to TAC System USA on Instagram, or you can drop me an email, mason@TACSystemUSA.com, and I would be more than happy to help you figure out how to best apply Quartz Max to your vehicle. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy detailing.